Hi everyone, let's see on our farms. We have a different type of chickens. Hello from Asia. Hello everyone. You can see here my poultry. I have the black chickens and white and black, duck and geese. You can see the geese over there. The geese is not a simple geese. We call the African geese that raised in Asia. It's beautiful here. So you can see here all is the black chickens. So everyone, please kindly to help us to subscribe our channels. If you have any question, please comment below. We would like to respond as we can, and especially if you need some idea or some experience how to feed the black chickens or raise the black chickens, I would like to share you. Hello everyone. So you can see here it's a beautiful all in blacks. You can see all in black chickens. It's so beautiful. You can see it's so beautiful everyone. Let's see.